The 61 meme describes a flood of videos centered on the idea that 61 is the next generation of the 67 meme.
61, 61, 61.
The meme repeated the same pattern seen in the 41 and 93 memes, both of which were presented as successors to 67. The origin of the 61 meme goes back to Spartan Swot's eerie bathroom clip where he did a sped-up 67 hand move while chanting 6 and 1. Many people claimed his pronunciation made 6 and 1 sound like swan. The 93 meme first appeared on TikTok in late August 2025 as users mocked 41 and 67 for being outdated. The 41 meme focused on the idea of being 41 years old with 41 goals, though some misheard it as 41 gold. Each meme number comes with its own origin story, but 67 has consistently remained the one that resonates most. The 61 meme aims to replace 67 as the dominant number, part of a cycle where each meme evolves to overtake the last. In the end, 67 holds its ground as the true original, while 61 and 41 act more like sequels to its influence. Stay tuned for more meme content, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video.
61, 61, 61.